Good afternoon, everybody. My name is Timothy Galloway. I am the CEO of Design Marketing Company. I am here to help you. If you are struggling online, please reach out to me and I can help you. Have y'all ever heard of AI software? It's an AI software where, cause I am thinking about signing up for AI software. It's a software where it helps see it you because you spend a lot of time editing videos and stuff. You just editing the video, okay? But AI can create the video, create the like where you need to say in the description of your video. AI gonna do that, and then you automatic. See, you won't spend so much time editing all these videos. So all you have to do, you edit the video, you use the AI doing that for you. Okay? You ever heard of like let's see, heard of McDonald's? McDonald's is will you like a McDonald's like robots is making your burger, making your fries? I don't know about that. I have to think about that. But I know no AI is taking over people's jobs. The job market is not that great. And everything's expensive. You want to buy food, you want to buy a TV, you want to buy any electronic, you want to buy a lot of stuff or to help your family. I'm telling you, if you don't have a second income, you are stuck. You need a second income. You need a second income. You need a third income. You need a fourth income. You need a fifth income. You need more income because the economy is not very good. Everything is going up. It's best for you to have a second income. If you are struggling online or need help, please reach out to me. I will for see I make videos and stuff, and if I was a scammer, I would not be on video. Okay? If I was, but I'm not. I'm not a scammer. Okay? Well, I will show you. I will simply give you my phone number, give you my email, and you can talk to me where you are struggling with. If you need help with your need help creating your YouTube channel, I can help you with that. Okay? If you struggling, all you have to do reach out to me, and I will reach back out with you. And if you want to work with me, I will work with you too. All you have to do is, all you have to do, reach out to me, send me a message, and I will send you a message back and say this is how I'm gonna help you with. This is where I'm gonna help you with. And this is where I'm gonna do for you. Okay? That's where I will help you with. Okay? If you are ready to leave the 9-to-5 job or have another second income, because when you retire, that's not enough money. That's not enough. Retiring, and it's best for you to have a second income. You can invest in the stocks market, but you can lose stock and you can gain stock. But yeah, because you can invest in that, and you need to invest in some more where to keep your money growing. Have a saving account in case something happens. You can always have money coming in. Just have that and start, but do not see like a job. You investigate. You do a research online and check to see all about that company. And like you do a research about working home, like one of these business you want to sign up with. Do a research, know about that company before you sign up. Cause it's a lot of scammers out here, and you got to make sure that's the right company. Yeah, because like when I signed up with a company, I didn't know that was a good company or not. Because I lost money. I was scammed on Facebook. I was scammed on Instagram. I was scammed on YouTube. I was scammed on a lot of places. And I said, these scammers is not going to stop me. I'm going to keep going. These scammers is not going to stop me. But right now, I don't have a Facebook account because my Facebook got shut down. But I am working on getting better and working on getting my business going better. It's going, but it's going slowly. My business growing slowly, but I am growing. Okay, but you are ready. Yes, ready need help with your, you don't have to sign up with the offer I am, but you are interested, please reach out to me, okay? But you just need help with your business you already have, please reach out to me and I can help you with that, okay? Okay, like I got scammed so many times. It's the same. I got scammed because I didn't know. I got scammed through email. I got scammed through social media. But I said that the scam is not gonna stop me. And I'm gonna keep going and keep going. Yeah, I'm gonna grow. And people say you sign up with this program, and all you have to do punch a button, and you gonna be rich overnight, and you gonna make a lot of money. Your bank account gonna be floating with money. Do this, please. Don't walk away, run away, cause that is a scam right there. There's no way you can make money like that. There's no way. You got to do the work. Cause if you got to see when you sign up, they give you, this company, they give you a blueprint. You follow that. You follow that blueprint. You follow that funnel, the funnel they give you. You follow it. If you follow it, you follow it, you may make some money. I can't guarantee you're gonna make money, but I can say if you follow it, then you will be making money. But you have to follow the blueprint and keep going and stuff. Okay? If you sign up with a program underneath me and you got problems with that funnel, I will help you. Like, some people, when you sign up underneath somebody and you reach out to them and need help, they won't you've been sending them an email, you send them a text or whatever, and they not contact you. That means they completely left. It's like they not there to help you. But I'm here to help you. And I'm not gonna go nowhere. Okay? I will be there with you. Okay? If you need help with any program you sign up with me, I will help you. Okay? Just reach out to me. Okay? And any problem you have, yeah, I will come. I will do everything I possible can. Okay? Okay, y'all having any questions about the program or about any videos on my content I'm making, please reach out and I will talk to you. Okay? If you want my phone number or you want my email, please reach out to me. But I'm only working with people. It's ready. They are ready. They are a team player and they are ready to change their life. If you are, I will work with you. But if you not and you hear this play game, I'm not there to play game. I'm here to help people. Not here to play game. I'm here to help you be successful online, making money online. Okay, and that's where I'm here for. Okay, you got any other questions? Please reach out to me. Okay, and I'll see you at the top, and I'll see you on my next video. Thank you, and have a nice day.